Oh my god, there is a simple mistake that I did when I was trying to cut the fringe. So let's do this and we correct it. All right. Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, prince and princess, ladies and gentlemen, everywhere you are. Yes, welcome to our YouTube channel. My name is Maurice, the Crochet Master, and welcome back. Those are returning subscribers, and if you're still new to our channel, you're also welcome. Just know you're on the right track. So, we are going to do something very, very simple concerning about the natural hair. So we are just going to do something very simple, and I would like you to also try to, you should always be creative when it comes to natural hair. When you have your own natural hair, when it's a bit long, there's many ways you can protect them by doing these simple hairstyles. So we're just going to do some very simple style. See, as long as you have washed, treated, then that's how you can hold the puff. And the puff, I'm using the my gel to hold it firm. Yes, as I already told you to do. Yes, the gel, we use it for this the natural hair when we are trying to style. So this is how we start doing our puff. And I would like to shout out to my friends who are subscribing. Oh my god, we started from 1 and now we're here. Yes, in fact, yesterday it's when I reached my 2k subscribers, and I know you'll keep on doing that. And so if it's your first time to be on our channel, please try to leave don't go without a subscribe. So I'm just having a crochet. Some people, the way they call, yes, so I'm just using a curly crochet, and you can use any if you have. You can just use it as long, because this style it can last for a week. Yes, if you have good hair, it can even last for 1.5. So if you have long hair, so that's why I'm saying, like, you can just use any curly wave. So I'm just using this curly wave, trying to do a fringe. But uh, I uploaded a video yesterday showing you how to trim the fringe. So it's the same thing that we are going to be doing here, and how we can trim the fringe. So this is how we do it. Yes, I keep on doing this way. You see how it looks. Yes, so when you keep on doing like this, you just have to make sure you add everything. Yes, we are home, we are still in the quarantine, but I keep trying to give you more tutorials, because I want, at least, even if you're in this situation, but we keep on learning most of things that we don't know. So when it comes to natural hair, you can do anything. You can just keep on playing around it. Yes, if you have those simple things. So let's try to see how we can trim our fringe. So this is how I want to show you on the other previous video, that when you're trimming when you're trimming a fringe, it is always very bad just to come and cut. It's always good to start from down. So there's a mistake I've just made here. Yeah, but I'm just going to try to correct it. That I've cut, yes, I've cut here, yet her forehead is a bit short. So yeah, her forehead is a bit short, so the corner of her forehead they are short. and I've got it small and they are on the same level. So that one is not good at all. It's not good at all. But I'm going to show you how you can collect that mistake, because you see how it looks. It's on the same level. It's on the same level, and at times it's not supposed to be like that. You're supposed to. You see how it looks. It's not nice. It's not nice. So I'm going to try to collect it, and trust me, you're going to see there's mistake. I'm telling you how you can collect it and it becomes nice. So I keep on packing the behind part. Yes, you just have to pack it very, very tight. Then when you're done with the packing, you just try to make sure. Let me try to collect this. So collecting it, I've just added added the long one, so that they shouldn't be show the white trimmed. So now you can see the change. You see, you can see how it has changed. So I've just added the long ones because I'd made it to be on the same level. So even if I add those long ones, I try to make sure, yeah, I pull them a little bit. So I have to pack behind. You just have to pack behind for my fringe to come out nicely. So if you're doing these curly crotches, at times it's not good like to trim them to be on the equal, on the same size. So you just have to leave those ones that are the some are long or the short. Is when you can do it nicely. So I want to shout out, as I think I've collected my mistake. You can see now it is very nice. It has changed. Yes. So I want to shout out all our friends who are watching right now. Oh my god. I've got a lot of friends in UK, United States of America. Everyone is like, wow, thank you so much. And those ones in Uganda, the Pearl of Africa, Kenya, Nairobi, asante sana, asante. Naona muko na mnapendeza vitu vyangu. Asante sana. So if you have a comment that you can leave, please go in my comment section and type anything that you want to know about anything. Yes, we can keep on we can keep on sharing ideas. Yes, you tell me what you feel, tell me what you want to see. So that's how you can. You see, I'm trying to make it not be for them not to be on the same. Let me show you here. Like I'm showing her when she goes home, like in the morning after waking up, she shouldn't try to make them the straight line. Yes, on the same level. She should just try to leave others long, short, like that, not all on the same level. So it's what I was trying to tell how to do. So we are finishing up ourselves. Very, very simple. Just takes like 30 minutes, not even 30, 20. You're good to go. So this is how you can also try to play around with your hair. Yes, and it keeps on protecting it from breaking. So guys, I'm going to sign out, but I want to thank you, and I'm promising you, those ones who have been watching my videos, that I'm going to bring a lot of things, a lot of hairstyles. So now I'm trying to show you how you can sell play around with your hair, and still I want to show you how we can do the closure without a glue. It's going to be next. So I love you so much. Don't miss. If you're new, just subscribe, and those returning subscribers, you're also welcome. Just know we are going to love it. We are going to enjoy everything, and please just show me some love to show me that you also you've learned something from my videos that we've been doing, and still you will learn more. Trust me. Bye bye.